Hello everyone and welcome. If you're looking for build a website or landing page, definitely it's better to use the web pages that build on the platforms because it's much more easier, it's much more faster, and it's much more convenient that you can imagine even. So we found the perfect tool where you can turn clicks into customers, and it is like it's said here. It's really very convenient and powerful platform to bring your ideas live, to create and to build everything that you need to build and to go online with. And it's very fast, easy, and without an extra effort. You don't need to learn the coding, you don't need to learn the web design and so on, and you just need to grab a ready template and change some things that will suit to your business directly, and that's it. Before I'll start to show you the step-by-step tutorial video, I want to share the information that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, and you can easily find that link and you can get access to Leadpages platform with a big discount for our friends, for our subscribers. So join and let's build some web page right now. Definitely you need to log in first if you don't have an account yet, or you need to start your free trial before you'll buy annual based or monthly based subscription. And we jump in straight to the dashboard of this tool, and you have the landing pages and sites. There is a difference between those two because the landing page is small one and the website is a big one, yeah, with a lot of pages, with a lot of navigation features and so on. I'm gonna build just any type of a landing page just to show you how easy it is to edit things right here. For example, maybe I'm making the great pizza and I want to sell my pizza to someone, to my potential customer, yeah? Just want to show you the main things of the editor, and you will get an idea of how to build it by yourself. First of all, let's see the preview. That's very important thing because tons of traffic nowadays flows from mobile devices, from phone and from tablet. That's very important because up to 65% of the traffic flows from those two types of devices, and definitely you need to check is everything okay and is everything great with your page, and in that case you will not miss your potential clients. All the pages that build in Leadpages are absolutely adaptable for any type of platform because not all the visitors will come from the same devices, and that's very important. Okay, I showed you the preview, saved, undo or redo. You can ask a question, get a help straight here. Let's jump to layout. There's a page layout, and if you're building a landing page, you just have one page. If you're building a website, you have a couple of pages, and the editing features are pretty the same. So the sections, everything here is built with the sections, main content and footer. Yeah, you can add a section from here, from this button. You can reorder those things. You see that footer is right now on the top. You can move them. You can delete, duplicate, or make it visible or invisible. The same button, add a section and sections, is the same. And you can add a section here, and there are pre-made sections already. Let's add this one just to show you. Going to layout back and reshaping it. You see you have main content, you have call to action, and you have a footer. Actually, that's pretty great. That's pretty interesting. There's no about page, but you can add a section with about page, and you can like use the big one with a big team, or you can use this one with one person and go into layout and reshaping it. Main content, about, call to action, and footer. It's pretty understandable and pretty cool. Yeah, don't you think so? All right. Everything that you can make with layout is the same that I showed you already. Like, you can delete all the things, you can duplicate, and everything that you see is happening actually with the widgets. What are they? Though you see text, and image, video, button, form, line, spacer, and all the bonuses. Show last. This 8, you will use this 8 to apply them to any type of content that you can build. Here also interesting thing, you have the sections, and if you press on this arrow, you see all the things that contains this block, this section, like content, spacer, and you can add things, column or row, straight to this layout, and in that case you can reshape the picture that you see. Will not do that, just closing it up. With all the editing features happening with this three dots button. When you press on it, you can edit section settings, add section above or below, duplicate, copy, or delete. Let's jump to section settings. We have an image for a background. If we're talking about the pizza, let's upload the pizza. Pressing the change image, you can use those images that you uploaded already, or your premium images, you can buy them. Just to show, for example, we're searching it as stock photos that are professional and delicious, and it costs like about $8 per picture. I have my own picture and I want to upload it straight from my computer. That's what I'm doing right now. Okay, the picture is on the spot. I'm just inserting it, and you see, here you go. The pizza is down there. Also, very important thing, there's an image color overlay. That will help you for sure, and it will help you a lot. How to use that? You see that if we're gonna delete this color overlay, our picture right now is pretty dark and the text is not readable. So let's add some white color. For example, we're gonna add white color, and we changing the opacity, and you see this is some kind of a filter. Yeah, the pizza is visible, the text is readable, and that's pretty cool. Yeah, the text, everything that you see contains with the text, images, videos, and interactive elements like buttons and forms and the pop-ups. Actually, to edit the text is absolutely easy. You see the type of the text is normal text, jumbo, like big, or normal text. Okay, let it be free intro call. Your best pizza ever. You can change the size of it. You can make it big. You can use the spacer between that. You can change the color to as you want. But let it be the black one. I like the black one. And okay, very important thing, the buttons, because this is the way how your visitors interact with your page, and you actually need them to press the button. You need make them to press the button. The text is pretty simple. Just to show you the color of a background, color of the button, like that. The color of the text, let it be white, for example. The style of a button, square, rounded, and you can reshape the corners here. I like the square. it can be line, or it can be gradient. The line is also very cool, and you see the button's pretty interesting looking. But the main thing is the click event. You need to edit the click event, because what's gonna happen when somebody will press the button? You can use the pop-up, you can use the calendar pop-up, jump to page section, like about, like read more, and the page will scroll itself to the section that you will apply here. And the pop-up, edit the pop-up. You see, enter your email address, email, and let's go. Or you can reshape all these things. Text is understandable. Integrations, that's very important feature. Lead notifications, it's built into this platform tool that will send you message to your inbox, to your mailbox when somebody will fill this this form. Or you can add an external service like email marketing provider, and there are tons of them, like ActiveCampaign, GetResponse, MailChimp, and ConvertKit. This is most famous of them. Or you can integrate it with a Zapier, and there are tons of things that you can integrate to your website. Just choose as you wish, choose as you want. Field, email, you can add a field like city, last name, state, address, and so on. We need the first name, done, and the first name will be the first in the list. And actions, the same thing as with the button, but what's gonna happen when somebody will type in his first name and email and press the button like order now? I prefer to use the Leadpages thank you page. It's polite, I believe, and you can also reshape it for your purposes and edit the text and so on. Or you can make the landing page, external URL, or remain on page. Save and close. That's it. You see the section, edit section settings. What's in column 1, column 2. We don't need this column. For example, we can delete it. And we have just simple form. And that's pretty cool. Here in the styles, you can choose the font styles, the page background, the all page background, not the, for example, like that, text font. Different one. I prefer to use not more than 3 colors and not more than 3 fonts to one entire page, because in that case your page looks better, your page looks well balanced and more professional. So using all these features, using all these sections, all this stuff, you can build a page that will suit to your business, that will describe it well, and that will get your new clients. In the settings, of course, very important thing is SEO. Definitely you need your web page to be shown to search engine machines. Social, what's happening here? You can choose an image that will be displayed if you in case you share your link to Facebook, for example, and you'll see the image right here. Analytics, if you have an Google Analytics to analyze all the traffic that flows for your site, you can add your tracking ID here, and that's pretty it, all with the settings. When you're gonna have your page done, you need to press the publish, and there's also a couple of things with domain and hosting and all the settings. So I showed you the core knowledges that you need to use to build your own web page and to make it beautiful, to make it well done, to make it in the shape, in the way that you want, and that will describe your business well, that will bring you new clients. I hope this all makes sense. I hope this was useful. It's great that you're interested in issue of site building. Just keep on going and build your own web page and go live with it and bring new customers to your business and earn money, because that's pretty fantastic. Before I'll say goodbye, I want to remind you that we left the link in the description panel of this video. That link is to get access for the platform where you can build a landing page or a web page for your purposes with a big discount. So don't miss this opportunity. Click that link, go pass the registration, and have pleasure to get some pleasure of building a new web page to your own business. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this was useful, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.